Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will explain about silent wave and total physical response. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Najwa Johar and my partner. My name is Faida Kuskia. We can start from silent wave first.
Silent wave. The silent wave is a language teaching method developed by Carl Gerino in 1960. Which defines the minimal goal of the teacher and focuses the student on discovering language independently through problem solving. The main goal of the seven-way method is to encourage students' independence and willingness to discover and create their own language through problem solving, knowledge-based communication. The seven-way teaching is viewed as support in active learning. Students are encouraged to work with one another. And then strategy in method silent way. Number one is the teacher introduces a discrete sound or structure by pointing at silent way or by using presenter rods to demonstrate a structure or reference point. Number two is studying then figure or where they are linked and record to the sound or structure. And then number three, between activities or sessions, students may ask questions of the teacher. Number four, teacher then students introduce another discrete sound or structure in the same manner. Number five, students again figure out the meaning and record to the sound or structure. Number six, as time goes on, students are ideally able to combine discrete sound and structure to create longer strings of language. And then strength and weakness. Number one is students are in environment independent. And then number two, student active involved. And then weakness. Number one is some students need more teacher than what is provided through this method. Number two, language is not learned as a knowledge in output. And then number three, teacher must have access to material and improve the system. And then
Okay. Morning everyone.
Morning.
Okay, before I explain about my potential, I want you to clap your hands. That's example for the TPR. TPR is total physical response. What is TPR? TPR is one of the English teaching approach and method developed by Dr. James G. Asher. It has been applied for almost 30 years. This method attempts to center attention to encouraging learners to listen and respond to the spoken target language command of their teacher. In other words, PPR is a language teaching method built around the coordination of speech and action. It attempts to teach language through physical motor activity. Next. The strategy. First, the teacher gives commands such as open the door, touch your nose, draw a circle, close the window, stand up, and sit down. That's an example during TPR. The second one is the student complete the action of the command. The third, if the student does the command correctly, the teacher knows the student understands the command. Fourth, the student understanding is reinforced by performing the action. Next, application and example. The teacher gives the following command to all the students, like open your book. Now, the second one is student open their books. Third, the teacher gives another command such as put your pencil on your desk, and then student put their pencil on their desk. The teacher gives another command such as raise your hand. The teacher continues to give command related to classroom action. The teacher might model the action if students have not attempted such command or action before. The teacher may also give command to individual students such as erase the board. And the last student may also give command or introduce to each other. Next, straight. First is result in lower anxiety levels among language learners. The second one is an activity or movement reinforced language learning in authentic ways. Next, weakness and modification. In its original form, CPR might be too limited to use alone. Thus, CPR is also used at the beginning levels or as part of a more complex lesson. It is also possible that command can be latent into a process. For the example, the teacher can say, draw a square with a line, so it then draw a triangle on the right side of the square. And so on. Teacher can have students use problem-solving tasks such as showing 3 boxes with different pictures inside and say, touch the box where the woman is standing. Next is other modification include having students take a more participatory role with giving commands or instruction to one another. TPR can also be done in a game form such as Simon Says, Advocate to TPR have also developed the method into TPR storytelling. Okay, that's all for us. Any question?
Saya diunggah cahaya.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Abdel Tashimila, and my question is: can TPR method apply in language teaching?
Okay, any question, please?
Nothing.
just one question. Any question, guys? Soraya?
Bisa dengan nggak sih? Bisa kayak di jeda. Itu kan bisa kayak naik enggak deh.
Okay, thank you for your opportunity. My name is Raya Bugis, and I want to ask you about strategy. In your strategy, seek strategy, right? Anything else for your strategy? Anything else for your Okay, thank you.
I want to answer Athlete's question. Yes, TPR method is very relevant to English learning. TPR helps students connect words and phrases with physical action, so they can understand and remember vocabulary more easily. For the example, when a teacher says stand up and open the book, students respond by doing the action. This makes English learning more fun, natural, and effective, especially for beginners. Is it enough? Okay.
Okay, I want to answer Soraya question. In Arena book, have just six strategies.
And TPR is a language teaching method where students learn by listening to commands and responding with physical action. So the strategy is just this because it's like command. Yes, like command like for the example, like the teacher introduces a discrete sound or instructor by pointing at silent way. The second way, student then figure out like step by step like that. And the TPR is a language teaching method. So this is just six strategies. We just know six strategies, but you know the real.
Thank you, Soraya.
Any else?
Next. The conclusion. The silent way emphasizes the teacher as a facilitator, encouraging learner to be independent, active, and to build their language skill through problem solving rather than repetition. This strategy allows students to gradually discover, practice, and combine sound and structure on their own, fostering independence and active participation in language learning. TPR is a language teaching method that combines speech with physical action, helping learners understand and respond naturally to the target language through movement. Okay, nice. Okay, that's enough for us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.